Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the 80K Woodswalker channel, where we focus on everything having to do with outdoor adventuring. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how I'm going stoveless on my next backpacking trip. Stick around. As you may already know, the guys and I are planning our Taconic Crest Trail, or TCT, through hike coming up this month. It's a 40-mile trail. We're going to take about 3.5 days to do it. I know there's folks that do it in a 24-hour period, and good on you for that. But we're going to take our time, enjoy ourselves, and just have a really good, fun weekend. So, we got to plan for food for that trip. And unfortunately, because the trail is on the ridge, there are not a lot of water sources up there. So I'm going stoveless. What that means is I don't need my pot, my fuel canister, my stove, any of that. Just don't need it anymore. All I'm going to use for food is everything in this bag. So let's talk about what I've got in here and see what I've got to look forward to on the trail. All right, so let's talk breakfast. First meal of the day, might as well get it over with first. Super easy, Pop-Tarts. I like this cinnamon brown sugar, so I've just got 3 packages of Pop-Tarts. And while some folks might not dig Pop-Tarts, I think they taste pretty good. And even if they get smashed up, I can still eat them out of the package. So we plan on caching some water, so we're not going to be completely dry, but with only getting water a couple of different places on the trail, we want to conserve as much as possible. So, you know, I'm not going to be heating up oatmeals or having a hot chocolate in the morning or anything like that. Now, let's go to lunch. Standard lunch stuff. Wraps, because wraps are easy. You can actually make food and roll it up and walk while you're eating. That's awesome. Or it's just a nice way to not need a plate, you know. You put everything in here and it's, for the most part, mess free. Now, what I'll be doing is actually using peanut butter packets. I know there's a variety of different types of peanut butter packets. You know, like Justin's is very popular. I prefer Skippy Natural for my everyday peanut butter, so I found these at the market and I'm bringing a bunch of those. I also have some honey that I'll probably put in here, and I may even grab some jelly, who knows. Straight up peanut butter on a wrap, that's going to be good lunch and I'm going to be happy. I also grabbed a bag of Fritos. Can't really go wrong with Fritos. Those will be kind of supplementing my lunch with the wraps. Seems like a lot of salt and a lot of stuff that we're going to need water for, but in previous experiences, it hasn't really caused me any issues. So I'm counting on that being the same for this trip. I guess we'll find out, right? Snacks throughout the day. I've got beef jerky, some peanut butter M&Ms. Can't go wrong with those. I also have some of these Pro Meal bars. These are the Superfruit Slams. I had never gotten Pro Meal bars, and for the most part, I don't really like these protein bars. They're just too dense, but these ones are really good. They taste very, very good. Like the fruit flavors in it is top notch, and those should help me out if I'm dogging it for whatever reason. And then for dinners, that's the last part of the day, right? So I have got a lot of these chicken creations. I've got a couple of different flavors: chicken salad, buffalo style, and classic barbecue. And again, these are just gonna go in the wraps. Very simple, very basic, and very easy. And I don't need any water to cook or worry about boiling or anything like that. So I'm confident that this is going to be a great food selection for our trip. Again, it's only 3.5 days. Should be able to do fine even if one of these things doesn't work out for me. But that's the plan so far. So going completely stoveless, and I'm actually pretty excited about it. The guys think I'm a hobo. They think I'm a little crazy, but who knows? All right, and that's how I'm going stoveless for the Taconic Crest Trail hike that we have coming up. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you like outdoor adventure videos, gear chats, stuff like this, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. But most importantly, I hope that we've inspired you to get outside and do something awesome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.